So now we're going to look at doing the top and right side view of ISO to ortho number 4. And for this one, what we're going to do is I'm going to take my rectangle tool in the visible class, and I'm just going to draw a rectangle here. And my rectangle is going to be 3.25 by a total of 1.22. And there's my original shape from here. I've got a lot of hidden lines that I need to put in, so we're just going to go to the hidden class, and I know that this line here is going to be a hidden line. This line here is going to be a hidden line. This line here is going to be a hidden line. This line here is going to be a hidden line. Hidden line. Hidden line. And then from here, what I can do is I can select these three pieces here. I'm going to duplicate them. I'm going to bring them up into the center right portion of my object. So now I've got my square hole cut out of that object as well. So there's my top view from here. We can go back to the guide class and kind of give me just the outside. I don't really need much more than the outside here. So overall, I'm just going to take my my visible class. We'll make a giant rectangle here. We're also going to come over with some visible lines while we're at it. So I'm going to have a visible line here. I'm going to have a visible line here. And then I'm also going to bring over another rectangle. My rectangle here is going to be 0.75 by 0.75. And then that's going to be centered on that section of 1.22. So I'm going to let that highlight. I'm going to let that point highlight, and I'm just going to go to the midpoint. There's my two rectangles there. And I've got one more hidden line that I need to bring across. That's this point here, so I'm just going to bring that across, and that's going to be a hidden line there. And then to finish this off, I'm going to go to my center mark in my center class. I'm going to select that square. It's now time to clean up the document. Class options, active only. We're going to go down here to the guide class. In the guide class, I'm going to select all of them and delete them. We're going to go back into view class options. We're going to go to show snap modify others. There is my object ready to go for the next steps of making it three-dimensional and dimension lines.